Uses of an and a. We use a when the noun or adjective that comes next begins with a consonant sound. We use an when the noun or adjective begins with the vowel sound. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. Let's see the example. Dash cake, a cake. Dash apple, an apple. Dash elephant, an elephant. Dash pear, a pear. Dash balloon, a balloon. Dash home, a home. Dash orange, an orange. Dash giraffe, a giraffe. Dash umbrella, an umbrella. Dash banana, a banana. Dash rabbit, a rabbit. Dash car, a car. Dash flower, a flower. Dash ear, an ear. Dash bear, a bear. Dash sheep, a sheep. Dash leg, a leg. Dash lemon, a lemon. Dash egg, an egg. Dash eye, an eye. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.